What's going on YouTube, it's GadgetsBoy and welcome to another video. So today we're going to be unboxing this bad boy. So this is PowerEgg by PowerVision. So this is a drone, believe it or not, but when we take it out of the box, you guys can get a better vision of what this looks like inside of the box and what it's all about. So let's get down to it. So first thing first, on the box, you get some quick information there about the features of this PowerEgg. You got 3.1 miles max of transmission distance. You got 23 minutes of flight time max. I got 4K UHD 360 degree video recording. You got PowerEgg Maestro, which is a gesture-based controller, and in there it says it's portable design, which I'm not totally sure about. And this is very innovative in terms of the egg shape design and how it folds out and stuff like that. So when I say portable, that's me trying to compare it in my head with my Mavic, which I have as well, which is extremely portable in comparison to this. But yes, let's unbox this and see the actual device itself. Here it is. So this is a carry case for it. So this is quite hefty as well when you pick it up. So be careful when you unbox this so you don't drop stuff on the floor. So up top here you get charging cables. So 3-pin plug there, obviously UK pin. More charging adapters here to plug it in. Power pack. You got different ports to go into different equipments, different tools in here. You get this protective cover / case, so you can like wrap the egg in there. You can put it in there so it just keeps it nice and fresh and scratch free. And in here there's a carry case to put stuff in, so I'm guessing this is where all your accessories would go into. So let's just open this up. Oh, wrong way. There we go. So in here you get your controller and power pack with a strap to kind of like keep them secure in there. So this is your battery in there, as you can see. So 23 minutes maximum flight time, and that's a 6,400 milliamp hour battery as well. The controller looks like a regular controller, as you can see there, with the control sticks here, mounting area to mount your smartphone, so you can put your smartphone there and sort of like have it like that when you're flying it. You got a bit of a stand thing going on the back as well. We figured out what all that is when we take this out for a test drive. I think this is your part of this is like the base station, which goes on the controller as well. So that allows that to connect to the smartphone. Acts like a bridge and an antenna between the smartphone and the actual drone itself. So here's the actual controller, so you can mount the power pack and the bridge there. You mount it onto the top there like so. So you can just slide it on via the back area there. Once you've mounted that on, then you can mount your phone there and in that area there and power it on, and you're good to go. So really nice and intuitive, nice design there as well. It's quite heavy and ergonomic, but again, that's the design that they're going for here. Cable to connect them up, regular cables, USB, and your gesture controller, which is nice and portable. So again, you can just use it to control it. It's one button, start and stop as well, so you can easily just lift off and return home. And there's a pause button on the back as well, which allows you to quickly stop it, and it just stays hovering over that point, so you can pause for a minute if you just need to like quickly do something else, or you want to get better footage of what you're filming. And this is a charging station / dock, so again you can use that to place your PowerEgg onto there. Got user manuals in there, so to give that a read. More information here. I think it's a quick start guide or warning information. Yeah, warning information about flying this, so like all your pre-flight check, give that a read, all in there. And the egg itself is here, so that goes on there like so. So you can see the shape here. Once you get your battery in and stuff like that, and then all this will fold out, and when you power it on, it's nice and ready to go. But this is actually quite portable and light. But again, like I said, compared to my Mavic, this is not as portable as a Mavic, but it's kind of lightweight. But once you get the battery in there, it might get a bit slightly heavier. Here is the 3-axis gimbal, so stabilized gimbal here. So this would do 4K HD videos at 30 frames per second. If you want to do a bit more slow-mo stuff, then you'd have to drop it down to either 1080p or 720. At 720, you can go down to 240 frames per second, which is pretty neat for slow-mo. So you get the gimbal there, which is really good. You get 360 degrees 4K video to record. You get your sensors there for landing and takeoff as well. So before you fly, make sure you take off the cover that covers that up, and take off the protective foam as well. Keep that safe. You don't want to lose that at all. So on the side here is where the propellers are tucked away. There we go. This is it powered on as well. So easy to power on by just pressing the button up top there. Press it once and then press it again for about 3 seconds, and that powers it all on. But once this is ready for flight, the the landing gears will fold out, which is situated right there. So that will fold out on each side, and that will get you ready for flight. But anyway, it's just a quick unboxing to show you guys what this looks like out of the box. Do let me know if you have any questions in the comments below, and hit that like button and subscribe as well if you haven't subscribed already. But yes, I'm Tommy, you're watching GadgetsBoy. I'll catch you guys in the next one.